Hello each and everyone, welcome back to my channel. I haven't been on here in a minute, but today I'm here to share my blueberry bread loaf with you guys today. It's a blueberry vanilla bread with lemon zest. Alright, so we're gonna jump right in and get it going. Alright, and I got 2 eggs right here in my bowl, and I got 1 cup of sugar right here. I'll just show you guys as I go. I'm just gonna add the 1 cup of sugar right here. And this is pretty simple and easy. As you can see, I'm going to use a whisk to do this. So I'm just going to whisk in the eggs and the sugar, and I got my flour right here, just a cup and a half of flour right there, and I got 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. All right, you can just add those dry ingredients together right there. And this is my cup of blueberry I got right here. These are nice fresh blueberry. They're sweet, juicy, and that's what we're gonna use. So I'll show you guys the rest of these ingredients as I mix. And this is how simple it is. You can use a mixer if you really don't want to do what I'm doing right here with the whisk. All right. So this is my lemon zest. I'm just gonna add this right inside here. Mix that right inside, and I got a teaspoon of vanilla. I'll pour that right inside there. So guys, don't forget to like and share this video. And I just put a squeeze of lemon juice. Now I got a third of a cup of butter here, melted. Just gonna pour that right inside there. And here I got half a cup of milk. Whisk that right in. Alright, now this is my flour. Just gonna use a fork and just mix in the baking powder and the salt. You can also use a whisk to do that as well. Alright, so I'm just gonna get this inside. Just do a little bit of mix with the whisk. Get it right in. I'm going to shake this right off. Okay. Now this is where my spatula come in. I'm just going to use that to mix, get any unnecessary lumps right out of it. Then the blueberries right here, what you want to do, I have a 2 tablespoons of flour right here. I'm just going to mix that right in. And I'm just going to toss it. right inside the blueberry. So what this does, it actually helps the blueberry to stay inside the mixture, then just sunk to the bottom of your baking pan. All right. So I'm just gonna add the blueberries right in. Look how simple that is. You fold these right in. Beautiful. And it smells great already. Okay, I got my pan right here. Now I'm going to put some parchment paper inside. What you can do is just spray your pan, or you can grease it with some butter. All right? I just make this easy to clean for me. It's a non-stick pan, but it helps. We're just going to get this mixture right inside here. Beautiful. Want to get every bit of it out, guys. Lovely. You just want to top on the bottom so your mixture settle. And I got my oven going at 350. I'm gonna get this in. It's gonna bake for about 50 to 60 minutes. You can check on it at 50, but I'm gonna set 50 for it. And if it needs a little bit more, I'll just set maybe another 10 minutes on there. If you put your toothpick in, you know the drill. And I'm also gonna make a beautiful lemon glaze to go with this. And we'll have a piece later. All right, let's get it in the oven. Okay guys, so while the loaf is baking, blueberry bread, we're just gonna make the glaze for it right now. I got some powdered sugar right here. I'm only gonna use half a cup. And I got some freshly squeezed lemon juice. Let's just get this going right here. Yeah, I don't need no more than half a cup. All right. Alright, so again, I'm going to use my whisk. You can use an electrical mixer if you like. Just going to pour some lemon juice in this. Get this nicely going. This is my glaze that I'm going to drizzle right over it. And that's just about a tablespoon of lemon juice. As you can see, it's nice and runny right there. That's what you're looking for. To drizzle, as you can see. And that's done. Alright? So, it's just a waiting game right now for that to come out of the oven, cool down, and we're gonna drizzle this on, and we're gonna have a slice of blueberry bread. All right, wait for it. Okay guys, it's out the oven, and take a look at it. It's cooled down, and we have the glaze right here that we make. I'm just gonna drizzle that right over it. Beautiful. I just use the whisk and do this. It's looking so lovely. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful. Just gonna cut right into it right here. Look at that. Ah, so lovely. Just gonna cut a piece of this right off, and mmm, mmm, mmm. That tells it all. You see the look on my face. Mmm, yummy. Wow, that's excellent. Mmm, so good. So guys, don't forget to like, share the video, please. Just don't watch for yourself. Please share it with a friend. Please subscribe. Will's Kitchen Table. I'll catch you in a new one.